राज्यात 25 फेब्रुवाराक कार्निवालाक सुरवात जातली. पणजे, मिरामार, दोनापावला वाठारांतल्या रस्त्याच्या समस्येक लागून पयलींच्याच थळार म्हळ्यार ओल्ड पाटो ते कला अकादेमी हांगसर कार्निवालाची मिरवणूक जातली. 26 फेब्रुवाराक मडगांव, 27 तारखेर वास्को, कुडचडे, शिरोडा, 28 म्हापश्यां आनी फोंड्यां मिरवणूक जातली. 2017च्या कार्निवालाक किंग मोमो म्हण रॉक फेर्नांडीस हांची निवड जाल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवादी पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली आणि गौतम शिरोडकार.
There is a committee of the officer. We have experienced and expert people in the committee. That is a core committee, screening committee is there. Today I have both the meetings. We have the float on 25th on the route as per the last year. The same route is maintained because of many problems at Dona Paula Miramar road. And is as a float of carnival, you know, the King Momo is already selected and it will go as per this. We have another 4 days program on 25th to 26, 27, 28 at the Sambasker, their cultural program. About some 20 stalls will be there and cultural programs and many things will be there, some competitions and all. At Miramar, Dona Paula road, there are many problems. There is no street lights. Then the ducts are kept open, no proper footpath work is done, and so there is incomplete, where there is a danger to the life and the property of the people. So it was changed and it was decided to have the same route as earlier.
Carnival 2017 will be celebrated from 25th February till 28th February. On 25th February it will be at Panaji, 26th at Margao, 27th at Vasco, Kurchade and Shiroda, and on 28th at Mapsa and Honda. Now Panaji's route astalo the same year, from old Pato bridge till Kala Academy Miramar, that route. And that already government constituted committees are formed at all places: Panaji, Margao, Vasco, Mapsa, Honda, Shiroda and Kurchade. And we have already on last Saturday 18th there was a selection of the King Memo, and a panel has selected Rock Fernandez as a King Memo for 2017 Carnival.